Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to reverse video in CapCut PC. Reverse is a captivating video editing technique that adds an element of intrigue and surprise to your social media videos. Creating a reverse video is simple. All you need is a reliable reverse video editor. Among the multitude of options available, CapCut shines as a free tool that allows easy video reversal on both desktop. CapCut is available for Windows 11 or 10 and Mac desktop users, and it also has a web version. So, it's up to you to decide the version for your computer, and here we take the web version as an example. First, open your CapCut PC, then add a video on your video project. Now select the video and add to the timeline. You can drag and drop or just click the plus icon. Select the video. Now, move the pointer to the beginning of where you want it to be in reverse. And then, select on split. Now, once you split into two sections, select the video you want to reverse. Then, go up to the menu and select reverse. Then, once done, you can see the video is in reverse. When you finish edits, tap export icon to save the reverse video. The alternative to reverse video online is FlexClip. FlexClip is an all-in-one online video editor that allows users to trim, split, crop, and reverse videos without any quality loss. Its intuitive interface caters to both novices and tech enthusiasts, enabling them to dive into editing within minutes. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.